We just spotted 2 deer frolicking. I don't know if we'll see it when we get there. Early May morning, Heber down. Beautiful streams. Scared I might drop the phone. Be careful. I love the sounds. I think we have the place to ourselves today. While the rest of the world is at work, we get to enjoy the nature. I think I heard a frog. Let's see if we can find it. Well, I see tadpoles. I see their movement over there. I don't know if you can see. I heard the little croak of a frog. I don't know if I can find it. There's also a stream that way that you can hear. Alhamdulillah for these beauty and nature. So you can see so much tadpole activity right there. Ibrahim and Khadija are gonna love it. They're in school, but they would love this. This is just amazing. See his little head? And it looks like a rock in the water, but that's his body. His little feet. So cute. I saw it jump in, otherwise I would have never noticed. A turtle is resting on a log, peeking his little head out. Hello, Mr. Turtle. Getting all the sunshine he can on this beautiful day. We're in the deepest part of the forest. Can you hear all the birds? I hear crows. I see something flying up there too. I love the quiet. I hear a crow far away, and then I saw a bluebird up here somewhere. There's a stream going right there. Take deep breaths. So many little fish in the water. How many can you see? They're just swimming around. Just keep swimming. Just keep swimming. I see so many fish. Mm-hmm. We just spotted 2 deer frolicking. I don't know if we'll see it when we get there. So just over there, they were like frolicking around, jumping. See them now. Maybe if I walk a little bit more this way. So, no luck. Oh, there it is. I don't know if you can see it. Let me try to zoom in. There you go. Oh my god, do you see how happily it's running? Oh my god. I got a little bit. Ontario's provincial flower, trillium. We're still on the hunt for the deer. I feel like they're in here somewhere, but the shrubbery's so thick that we won't be able to see them here. They're on the other side. So we're trying to walk over that way. And then maybe, if we're lucky, we can spot them again. I saw something moving in there. But it's so thick. And there's like fencing over there, so we can't even go through here. And it's not good to do that anyways, because you can get like ticks and stuff on you. It's better to stay on the trail.